Error checking and validation on any size project can present managers and designers with major challenges and potentially require significant resources to complete within project schedules. The ability to define and schedule rules to validate modeled parts across the project saves both time and rework and is now available with SSI ShipConstructor 2024 in the Rule Management tool. Take, for example, the bending machine requirements for a particular pipe schedule. As the project is modeled, without rules to define these parameters or validation checks to ensure pipes are modeled according to the required specifications, there is no straightforward way to ensure the finished model adheres to the bending machine tolerances. With the Rule Manager, projects can be set up to include predefined rules that can be scheduled to automatically check these tolerances and bending parameters during the validation and approval cycle, saving huge amounts of time and preventing delays to downstream milestones and deliverables. Virtually any product model database attribute can be checked, but more importantly can be scheduled and reviewed to suit the requirements of the stakeholders involved. Quickly run rules against the entire project and get links to the drawings, parts, and model objects involved, saving time for the design team when reviewing and correcting these items. Once an issue is found, the user can change its status and leave detailed notes as to how and why the issue can be resolved, providing direct communication between point-to-point end users within your organization. These notes and status changes persist across user sessions so that teams can collaborate more effectively. In addition, to make navigating the model easier within ShipConstructor, users can load the part or model drawings directly from the dialog without the need to navigate to the drawings from the model hierarchy. Empowered engineering means that the tools available for everyone from the project manager to the shop floor technician are developed so that they can focus on the tasks at hand, rather than resolving problems caused by missing or incorrect model information. Find out more about this and other ShipConstructor 2024 features by visiting SSI Nexus today.